In the first week of December, between 8th and 12th of December, I plan to be in Muscat in the Sultanate of Oman. Those who would like to see me in Oman can get in touch with my team. There's a WhatsApp number given below and there's an email ID also given below. So those desirous of getting in touch with me at the Sultanate of Oman, especially in the city of Muscat from 8th to 12th of December, can definitely contact me there. I hope to see you all in Oman soon. Thank you for watching. Be rich.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. We thought we'll try a new format today. The format being we'd first frame a question, then Anand would explain his views on it and we'll discuss about it. Then at the end of the video, Anand will offer his concluding thoughts on this. And a lot of you are thinking, why is Vinod not looking at Anand when he's talking and keeps looking down? That's because I'm not like Anand. I have all my notes, so I need to keep referring to my notes because I'm not like Anand. I don't have an immense memory, nor am I an expert in these subjects. I'm here to help Anand engage you guys in the video. So don't get offended if I keep looking down. It's not disrespect to Anand. It's just that I'm a guy just like you guys trying to keep up with Anand. Okay, Anand. The topic of discussion today is going to be Meta and shareholders and what's been happening with Zuckerberg holding majority of the shares and single-handedly deciding how spending of a company should be and what can an investor do.
The best thing an investor can do is to sell his holding of Meta yesterday. And I've been saying this for some time now. Meta is now trading at a big loss and 74% below its peak valuation. I don't know the exact numbers, it's 75% below its peak valuation. And Zuckerberg has absolute majority control of this.
True.
And he and Elon Musk, I think, have a shade of Asperger's syndrome. And they continue to do what they think is right. And he has been in a spending binge.
Correct.
Now, he has been talking about a meta universe,
Nothing basically than virtual universe.
virtual universe, about making hardware and selling that through his network.
Yes.
But first, and then he talked about a cryptocurrency. And now he doesn't talk about the cryptocurrency at all.
Correct.
Now he is talking about having a separate company which will develop hardware which he hopes to sell. And several big companies fell for that gambit and they said they are having meta plans and all that. And he said everybody, the world is virtual, and all this sold when the pandemic was there and people were sitting at home and never thought they could travel.
True.
Now all flights are being booked, there is revenge tourism, and people like to move around.
True.
Like all of us came from Africa, we went to different parts of the world and settled there. Now it's clearly established from where the early humans came.
Correct.
And the man likes to walk.
Correct. We are nomadic.
We are nomadic. And it's very difficult for us to stay in one place. So this meta universe as such is an illusion, or as Shankara would have called it, Maya. So it was Maya, like a mirage. And as long as money was free, central bankers were printing money in large supplies. This money was not going to the people, therefore going to the common middle class. And for several years, all these stocks were overvalued. And now that money has tightened, because money did go to the middle class and they spent money and inflation is high.
Correct.
And there are supply chain problems in China, which we have talked ad nauseum about. The central bankers of the world are tightening. Now they are going to tighten to 5.5%, 6%. So wherever there is profits, people are pulling it out. When you had a lot of money and revenue coming in, people liked what they heard. Now 2, 3 things have happened. Revenue has dropped. In Google, the growth is 6%, the lowest in 5 years, ad growth. Twitter is in serious trouble, we know that. Before Musk came like a white knight to save it. But
We
it
don't
could
know
be
if he
his
saved
water
him. Yeah.
it could be his Waterloo still.
Could be. Yeah.
Then, so his Facebook had a problem with Trump elections, and it got a lot of bad press that he sold and weaponized social media and all that. To do away with the damage, he changed himself to Meta, name Meta and Meta Universe.
Rebranded himself.
He rebranded himself. Unfortunately, from him, TikTok came in and created trouble for him.
Huge disruption,
This
yes.
is disruption. He bought Instagram, and in Instagram, he did not have a proper revenue sharing model like what TikTok had or what YouTube has. So people have just stopped using Facebook. They have moved on to other things.
Correct.
And the attention span of people have come down to 1 minute or 2 minutes. Facebook doesn't engage it the way other platforms are engaging it. So the youth have stopped using Facebook. The youngest growing population is not using Facebook, except in countries like India where there is TikTok is banned. This has meant that all social media advertisements are down, and especially Meta's is down.
On Facebook, it's completely
On Facebook is down. Now he had a lot of free cash reserves lying with his account. He could have conserved cash. Instead, he invested in a subsidiary. You know the name, I don't
Reality
know.
Labs.
He is investing heavily in Reality Labs, spent several $billions creating a meta universe which nobody may use or which will not give the kind of.
Yes, he's saying it's going to consume maybe approximately 39 billion next year, which is double the level of 2021.
Yeah. So there is no going to be free cash flow. In fact, Jim Cramer in TV 18, CNBC TV, was crying and said that I asked you to buy, I was wrong. I trusted these guys, they let me down. So basically, Facebook is in serious trouble.
Correct.
The original Facebook did not have any hardware,
Yes.
it was only software.
Correct.
So, hardware requires a different type of selling. Whether Meta has that capability or something,
Or even
is some-
Zuckerberg has expertise.
expertise is something completely different. So, what has happened is advertisement is drying up. People are not coming on to Meta. Instagram is a problem. And on top of it, he is burning cash somewhere else. His biggest success has been WhatsApp, but he has not been able to
But it's
monetize
not
WhatsApp.
created by him. WhatsApp, he
He
bought
has
out.
bought it, but
Yes.
it's not
Instagram, he didn't create. He bought it.
bought it, but he's not monetized. He's not able to monetize it. Influencers in Instagram are making money. Not much is going into Facebook's pockets.
Correct.
Right. Google Pay in markets like India, Google Pay has gone big. WhatsApp Pay has not gone big. People ask me, can you use FinPay? Can you
Correct.
use Google Pay?
Correct.
But nobody is asking me WhatsApp Pay.
Correct.
So WhatsApp Pay has failed. He is not able to monetize WhatsApp. So has he reached the end? Maybe not. But his super profitable days are over. If Meta Universe fails, as it looks it will fail, then it's going to take a long time to come back.
Yes,
If you
because
lose,
this is what exactly in the article they say. That Zuckerberg become as tone deaf to an investment community, doubling down on everything. And the timeline for the metaverse is very stretched. I don't think you're going to know grow where you're going if it's the right move for the next 5 to 10 years.
yeah.
That's a timeline. As an investor, you can't park.
No, but see, there is no visibility. Your main business is declining. And I don't see any visibility in Facebook as such. This is a very delicate thing where a promoter who has been very successful, he's a technology maven who's been very successful, is out of touch with reality. This is what I believe.
So, as an investor, what's your only option to do? Because
I
there's
just
no
sell.
activist investor can do anything because he's a
But
majority.
also, I would have sold and gone.
So, the best advice you would say is right now to stay away from Facebook.
Facebook. In fact, I did a program with Anish when you were not there. I'll own Alphabet, I'll own Amazon, I'll own Apple.
These are three picks for you.
In the
FANG stocks.
in the FANG stocks. The promoters have gone. They are not going to do damage. Jeff
Correct.
Bezos has retired. Apple, Steve Jobs is dead and gone.
Correct.
And the promoters of Alphabet have
Google
gone,
moved out.
moved out. So they don't want to do anything wonky. No Twitter, no Tesla, no Facebook,
And no Netflix.
no Netflix.
Okay, so that concludes this discussion on Meta and where Anand sees the future of Meta. Maybe it'll change if Zuckerberg is pushed out or forced out, which I don't see happen.
Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button of my channel and turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for supporting Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.